Holy cow, look at this guy, passing on the right, a no-no.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy. This is the kind of Canada we're living in now. Lawless, rude pickup truck driver. I'm not saying all, but sa experience ko, yan yung aking naranasan dito, no? Yun yung nakabunggo sa akin na 3500 RAM. Double pa nga yung ano niya, kanyang what you call it, gulong sa likod. Yun yung